Healthcare professionals across the country are working to give those vaccines as quickly as they get them. News 19's Riley Kine sharing what the process of becoming a vaccinator is like and how you could get involved.
The professional development nurses at Gunderson Health System have been involved in anything related to COVID since the pandemic began almost a year ago. From staffing COVID drive-through clinics to now training to become vaccinators, they're doing all they can to stop the virus. I got to follow professional development nurse Jessie Alexander as she came in for her tour and shadowing, both part of the process in becoming a vaccinator. By the end of her training, I even watched her give her first COVID-19 vaccination.
This is probably one of the most awesome experiences that I've been involved in.
The professional development nurses at Gunderson Health System have put together a training program for healthcare professionals wanting to become a vaccinator.
We were charged with creating education for all of our vaccinators. So I created the education based off of what was recommended by the Department of Health Services for the state of Wisconsin. And then we also included some Gunderson Health System information as well.
Training includes online instruction from the CDC, Wisconsin's DHS, and Gunderson requires vaccinators to study infection control information and how they handle adverse events. Next is the hands-on training.
Then we do a one-on-one shadow in the vaccine clinic before folks sign up to actually staff in clinic.
The online education only took me about 2 hours because I've vaccinated before.
The morning of her first patient, Alexander got a tour of the vaccination clinic and got to practice on a model arm. Although she has vaccinated before, it was her first COVID-19 vaccination, so it was a big deal.
This is definitely an awesome place to be.
Wolf says at the end of the day, it's all about distributing vaccinations to the community as efficiently as they come in.
It's about helping to get our community vaccinated as quickly as we can, and it has been a joy to do that. The responses from our community members have been really, really wonderful.
If you have worked in the healthcare industry and are interested in becoming a vaccinator, you can visit the Wisconsin DHS website. They say the more hands they have, the more efficiently they can get vaccines when supply comes in.
All right, thank you, Riley. And you can visit our website for more information and links to the necessary forms and trainings.